Hello there. Today I'm going to introduce you to mlflow-go, a blazing fast rewrite of the mlflow tracking server, this time in Go. mlflow-go is designed to be a drop-in replacement for the original mlflow tracking server, but with way better performance for I/O-heavy workloads. Let me show you how this works with a quick demo. First, I set up my Python environment using UV, but don't worry, UV isn't a requirement. Next, we'll install the mlflow-go backend package. Since it depends on mlflow, that'll get installed automatically. Once the server's up, you can connect to it via HTTP, just like your regular mlflow server. Quick note, you must provide a database connection string since the file store backend isn't implemented yet. You can also hook in directly into your data store using Python by adding this one-liner. This switches mlflow to use the Go-based backend. Full transparency, not every mlflow operation was ported to Go just yet. If you hit something unimplemented, the Python code will kick in seamlessly as a fallback. You can try this out today and share your feedback on GitHub. Happy tracking and stay productive.